Hey, pho lovers! What makes peanut satay pho spicy? It could be Thai chili pepper, Vietnamese chili oil, or Oriental curry powder. Que Pho uses none of these. Watch the following review to see what they add to make peanut satay pho spicy.
Que Pho and in South Central Edmonton. In my previous video, I reviewed Bun Bo Way at Gupin, and this time I'm at Que Pho and I'm going for a peanut satay pho. I did some research and I found out that this pho has like it's maybe three quarters Vietnamese and a quarter Chinese. The Chinese is what is coming from the a specific provincial cuisine called Teochew, and to the best of my knowledge, I'm thinking the influence for this particular pho is in the use of the peanut, right? Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Very excited. I'm excited. I'm excited to try this peanut satay. Here we go. That's my first try. Soup first. Let's try the soup first. Oh, I can. Yeah, the soup is a little bit more spicier than Bun Bo Way. And there's a peanut in here. There's a peanut in it, right? Can you see it? It's there. There's another dish in Philippine cuisine called, I think it's Korean curry. Could be beef, could be pork, and they use peanut butter, right? So I don't know if they add peanut butter, but they certainly add peanuts to this.
I never mentioned in the review video what makes the peanut satay pho spicy. In this case, Que Pho, where I ate, what they use is Sichuan chili flakes. It's not extremely spicy. I can handle it. If I can handle it, you can handle it. I think that peanut satay pho was an 8. No, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 10. If you want to continue watching this whole series of spicy pho, I recommend going to this video next, Bun Bo Way at Gu Bin.